Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Mourya from BTech Civil Engineering, University of Lucknow. I am presenting a seminar on zero carbon city. Here is the topic zero carbon city. Now start with table of content which includes all the subtopic included and here are as introduction, history, key principles of zero carbon city, types of carbon in buildings, role of technology in zero carbon city, difference between smart city and zero carbon city, advantages of zero carbon city, steps of zero carbon city according to sustainable development goals, case study of zero carbon city, conclusion and references. Here is the introduction of zero carbon city. A zero carbon city is basically an area where carbon emission is zero or nearly equal to zero. Its importance is controlling climate change globally and mostly in urban areas because 70% of carbon emission is from city only and the goal is to keep global warming 1.5 degrees Celsius or below. Here is the history of zero carbon city. A city basically decided to become zero carbon city because it requires shift from general sustainability to carbon neutrality goals. Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is a treaty passed in 2005 which influenced urban climate action. Maltar is the first city in UAE who planned to become zero carbon city. The idea of zero carbon city is originated from sustainability. Now, here is the key principles of zero carbon city. First is energy efficiency. It involves minimizing use by maintaining the same service level. The approaches are high performance buildings, smart technology, and urban planning, in which high performance buildings uses LED lighting and efficient HVAC system which will reduce energy consumption. Smart technologies utilizes smart meters, automated energy management system, and urban planning incorporating energy efficiency into city planning. This figure shows the principles of zero carbon city, energy efficiency, water efficiency, outdoor comfort, sustainable transportation system, high quality of life, sustainable urban system, zero waste. Renewable energy. Renewable energy like solar and wind power, geothermal and hydropower, decentralized energy systems helps to reduce the carbon emission by reducing the use of coal for electricity production. The second key principle is sustainable mobility. It basically focuses on emissions from the transportation sector by using public transportation, pathways, bike lanes, and using electric vehicles. The next key principle is circular economy. It includes reducing carbon emission by focusing on reducing waste, promoting recycling and reuse. The approach of circular economy includes waste reduction, promoting recycle and reuse, and converting waste to energy. The next one is green infrastructure. Green infrastructure absorbs carbon dioxide and reduce air pollution. It helps to reduce carbon emission. Here are the approaches of green infrastructure: urban green spaces, tree planting, and waste management. It also includes implementation of sustainable drainage system and rainwater harvesting. Now, there are two types of carbon in buildings. First is embodied carbon and second one is operational carbon. Embodied carbon is the total greenhouse gas emissions which comes from the material and transportation process. It released before the building is even occupied. The examples of embodied carbon emission are concrete, bitumen, etc. And the second one is operational carbon. Operational carbon is the total greenhouse gas emission, which refers to the energy consumption required to operate a building over its lifespan. It includes energy consumed for heating, cooling, lighting, etc. The role of technology in zero carbon city. Smart waste management system. In smart waste management systems, AI are used. Smart building management system. In smart building management systems, sensors and AI both are used. Geographic information systems. In geographic information system, GIS technology used to provide 3D models of urban environments. Blockchain of energy trading. Blockchain technology enables peer to peer energy trading among consumers and producers. Now, why can't a zero carbon city and a smart city be developed together? Zero carbon city and smart city can't be developed together because a smart city requires high electricity to run and which does not fulfill by renewable energy. This chart includes the difference between a smart city and zero carbon city and tells us how zero carbon city is different from a smart city in different aspects. The aspects are primary goals, focus, buildings, governance, and infrastructure. Here are the advantages of zero carbon city: reduced energy waste, improved public health, global leadership and reputation, circular economy promotion, long term cost savings, improved air quality, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and attracting green investment. These are the following steps to be taken to get zero carbon city till 2050. Construct solar power generation system till 2014. Reduce CO2 with business reforms till 2020. Start CO2 free production till 2022. Decrease CO2 emissions by 50% off till 2025 and production of 100% renewable energy till 2030, and lastly total carbon dioxide emissions till 2050. Here are the case studies of zero carbon city. First is Maldar city, which is located in Abu Dhabi. It also decided several aspects to reduce carbon emission. First one is renewable energy. 100% renewable energy balance between demand and supply, only 240 megawatt. Building design will ensure the latest use of energy efficient technologies and smart design. Innovative transportation system. The city will contain pioneering public transportation systems with no fossil fuel usage. Recycling waste to energy. The city will strive towards a zero waste objective. Clean tech cluster. Maldar city is focused around R&D and attracting clean tech companies to build, operate, and live in. Second case study is Copenhagen, Denmark. Its aim is to become zero carbon city till 2025 and to become world's first carbon city by 2025. The features are renewable energy, sustainable mobility, green buildings, district heating and cooling. These are the steps that Copenhagen did to become zero carbon city. 1.33 million population in municipality, 1 lakh plus spectators for the Copenhagen Marathon, 70% of hotels are eco certified, 33,868 accommodation rooms by 2023, 62% of residents commute by bicycle every day, 9.6 million bed nights in 2019, 8th most livable city in the world, 450 kilometers of bicycle lanes, 33,868 accommodation rooms by 2023. Third case study is Nagpur. It is India's first city who plan to become zero carbon city till 2050. Nagpur launched zero carbon building action plan by March 2024, which reduces the carbon emission from building. Kanpur metro project is the backbone of India's public transportation. These are the 8 actions needed by 2030 to get net zero carbon emission by 2050. Nagpur. First one is increase the solar and wind capacity 3.5 times to 500 gigawatts. Second one is eliminate most electricity generation from coal. Third one is maintain current natural gas generating capacity for reliability. Fourth one is increase zero emission vehicle sales share to 50%. Fifth one is increase sales share of building heat pumps to 50%. Sixth one is all new buildings and appliances meet strict energy efficiency goals. Seventh one is R&D for carbon capture, sequestration and carbon neutral fuels. Eighth one is building electricity transmission and pipelines for carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Now, here are the conclusion of Zero Carbon City. It helps to reduce urban sustainability to society by removing fossil fuels. It aims to achieve energy independence, reduce air pollution, and promote long term environmental health. It demonstrates that urbanization and environmental responsibility can coexist. These are the references which include some research paper, official site for the data of Zero Carbon City. Thank you.